Hello students, welcome to EduFunday. I'm your chemistry mentor for the topic Standard Enthalpy of Combustion, Enthalpy of Atomization, Enthalpy of Ionization from the chapter Thermodynamics. So let us see enthalpies for different types of reaction. First is standard enthalpy of combustion. As the name is signifying that it involves combustion reaction. So the definition is the enthalpy change when 1 mole of a substance is completely burnt in its standard state is known as standard enthalpy of combustion. That means किसी substance का अगर वो 1 mole में है 1 mole substance हमने लिया है और वो अपनी standard state में present है, so the enthalpy change that is involved in the combustion of that substance is known as standard enthalpy of combustion. Example is we are having butane और इसकी combustion कर रहे हैं, that means हम oxygen के साथ इसको react करवा रहे हैं, then it will give carbon dioxide and water. So the enthalpy of combustion of butane is equal to minus 2658 kilojoules mole inverse. Next is enthalpy of atomization. Enthalpy of atomization, that means यहाँ पे हम atomization करवा रहे हैं, कोई molecule present है उसको atom में convert करने के लिए जो enthalpy change involved है, that is known as enthalpy of atomization. So the definition is the enthalpy change on breaking 1 mole of bond completely to obtain atoms in the gas form is known as enthalpy of atomization, and that is denoted by delta A H naught. Example is H2. H2 हमारे पास डाइहाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल है, जब इसको ब्रेक करेंगे then it will give 2 hydrogen atoms. And for this reaction or for this transformation, delta H of atomization is equal to 1665 kilojoules mole inverse. Next enthalpy is enthalpy of ionization. नाम से पता चल रहा है कि यहाँ पे आयनाइजेशन हो रही है, मतलब हम किसी एटम को आयन में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं. So the definition is the enthalpy change that accompanies the removal of an electron from each atom or ion in 1 mole of gaseous atoms or ions is called as enthalpy of ionization. So we are having calcium atom, हमारे पास calcium atom present है, जब इसको हम कुछ एनर्जी सप्लाई करेंगे then it will get converted into calcium cation. That means Ca positive with the removal of 1 electron, because on supplying some energy to calcium atom it will lose 1 electron, most loosely bound electron actually, to give unipositive cation. So the delta H of ionization for this reaction is 590 kilojoules mole inverse. In the next step, अगर हम उस unipositive cation से एक और electron remove करवाएंगे by supplying some more energy, then it will get converted into dipositive cation with the removal of electron. And for this second step, delta H of ionization is equal to 1150 kilojoules mole inverse. So first ionization enthalpy is smaller than the second ionization energy. Why so? Because after losing the second electron, effective nuclear charge further increases, size shrinks, and it will be difficult for us to remove the electron. That's all for this topic. Thanks for watching.